An electric garage heater is a must-have for keeping your workspace warm and functional during colder months. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, maintaining your vehicle, or simply needing a comfortable environment, the right heater ensures steady, safe, and efficient warmth. With options ranging from compact portable units to powerful wall-mounted models, there's a solution for every space and budget. In this video, we'll highlight the best electric garage heaters to help you stay productive and comfortable all year round. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Buyplus Electric Patio Heater. If you want quick, targeted warmth for your garage, greenhouse, or patio without fuss, the Buyplus Electric Patio Heater is a smart upgrade. Its positive temperature coefficient ceramic technology self-regulates for safety and efficiency, heating rapidly to your set level, then cooling quickly to help prevent overheating. That means stable comfort without a constantly scorching element. You'll appreciate how portable and practical it is. Weighing just 3.69 pounds with a long 88.6 inches cord, it moves easily wherever you're working. The compact dish design focuses airflow where you need it, making it perfect for keeping feet and legs warm at a bench or potting table. Dial in comfort with 3 modes: fan only for air circulation, low for steady warmth, and high for a fast heat boost. The 1500-watt output brings spaces up to temperature in seconds and runs quietly enough for conversations, podcasts, or late-night projects. Use it as efficient supplemental heat. Instead of cranking the whole house thermostat, warm just the area you're using and trim energy costs. Overheat protection adds peace of mind during longer sessions. Set it on a flat, stable surface, keep clearances around the heater, and plug into a properly rated outlet. With fast positive temperature coefficient heating, simple controls, and an easy-to-move form factor, you get reliable, garage-friendly comfort all season long. At number 4, Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 Carbon Infrared Heater. If you want clean, immediate warmth for your garage, patio, or workspace without dealing with gas or fumes, the Dr. Infrared Heater DR238 delivers. Its carbon infrared element provides instant, odorless, radiant heat that warms people and surfaces directly. Perfect for staying comfortable in cool, drafty areas. You control the comfort with 3 power settings: 900 watt, 1200 watt, or 1500 watt, so you can match heat output to the job. Setup is simple. Plug into a standard 120 volt outlet, use the remote to adjust settings from across the room, and you're up and running in minutes. Build it into your space your way. The DR238 includes brackets for wall or ceiling mounting, keeping floors clear and heat directed where you need it. With an IP55 weatherproof rating and a durable aluminum housing, it's engineered for both indoor and outdoor use, great for home garages, covered patios, decks, and open-air seating. Efficiency is baked in. A high reflectivity mirror aluminum reflector focuses energy toward your work area, while the heater's carbon lamp design enhances heating performance for targeted, effective warmth. For best results, mount on a stable surface, maintain recommended clearances, and connect to a properly rated circuit. With instant infrared heat, flexible mounting options, and straightforward controls, you get a reliable, garage-friendly heater that helps you stay productive and comfortable in more seasons. Number 3, we have the Briza Infrared Electric Patio Heater. If you want fast, focused heat for your garage, workshop, or patio, the Briza Infrared Electric Heater makes it effortless. Its carbon infrared element delivers sun-like radiant warmth that's absorbed by people and surfaces, so you feel comfortable quickly without waiting for the whole room to heat up. Choose your comfort with 3 heat levels: 900 watt, 1200 watt, or 1500 watt, and adjust everything from across the room with the included remote. You get flexible setup out of the box, mounted on a wall or ceiling to save floor space, or use the adjustable tripod stand for portable spot heating wherever you're working. At roughly 3 kilograms, it's easy to reposition as your projects move. Built-in safety features have your back. A tip-over sensor shuts the unit off if it's knocked, and the protective housing helps reduce accidental contact, With an IP55 rating, it's engineered to handle rain, snow, dust, and sand for year-round outdoor use, and it's equally at home in garages, sheds, and indoor work areas. Because it's corded electric, you avoid fumes, fuels, and refills. Just plug in and warm up. Set clearances, keep the heater on a stable surface or secure mount, and you're ready for quiet, clean, radiant heat that lets you stay productive and comfortable in more seasons. At number 2, VAGKRI Electric Outdoor Infrared Heater. If you want instant, odorless warmth for your garage, patio, or workshop, the VAGKRI Electric Outdoor Infrared Heater gets you comfortable in 1 second. Its 1500-watt infrared element delivers sun-like heat directly to people and objects. No fumes, no propane, no warm-up lag, so you can get back to work or unwind fast. You stay in control of comfort. Choose from 9 power levels and set your target temperature on the clear digital display. A 24-hour timer lets you heat only when you need it, helping you save energy, while child lock prevents accidental changes. Operation is virtually noiseless, keeping conversations, projects, and late-night sessions uninterrupted. Warm more of your space with less effort. The 42-inch tower projects heat across a 100-degree wide angle, making it a solid fit for everything from single workbays and sheds to living rooms and home offices. Use it indoors or outdoors for flexible year-round comfort. Built for safety and durability, the weatherproof aluminum housing stands up to the elements. An electrical testing laboratory's listing adds confidence in its electrical safety. Tip-over protection shuts the unit down if knocked, and the heating method is free of odors, chemicals, and fumes. Better for kids, pets, and enclosed spaces. Set it on a flat, stable surface. Maintain clearances, and plug into a properly rated AC outlet. With rapid heat, precise controls, and quiet performance, you get an efficient garage-friendly heater that adapts to your day. And finally, the number 1 of our list, SereneLife Infrared Patio Heater. If you want fast, odorless heat for your patio, garage, or workshop without hauling propane, the SereneLife Infrared Patio Heater makes cold days easy. Its 1500-watt carbon fiber element delivers sun-like warmth in seconds, and you can fine-tune comfort with 2 heat levels and the included remote, so you stay warm without leaving your seat. You get efficiency and durability in one sleek 57 inches tower. Electrical Testing Laboratories, certified with an 88% efficiency rating, it converts power into heat effectively to help reduce energy costs. The IP24 weather-resistant design, aluminum alloy frame with a stainless steel base cover, stands up to the elements, making it a dependable choice for patios, gazebos, outdoor cafes, and covered work areas. At about 21.6 pounds, it's sturdy enough to stay put, yet easy to reposition. Warm the spaces you use most. This heater is ideal for spot heating up to 25 square feet, giving you targeted comfort where you sit, stand, or tinker, indoors or outdoors. Safety is built in for peace of mind. A 360-degree tip-over switch, overheat protection, and a protective mesh guard help safeguard kids, pets, and busy workspaces. Set it on a flat surface, keep clearances around the heater, and plug into a properly rated outlet. With instant heat, efficient performance, and robust safety features, you get a low-fuss way to extend your outdoor season and keep your garage sessions comfortable year-round. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which electric garage heater you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.